Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 8 Pro. And for that we will need the settings for. So just scroll down here, scroll down the second time, then you will find here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to go to the point about phone. And here we will need the build number. It is at the end of the list here. And you need to tap now this build number for 7 times. You can see already a countdown here, and then you are a developer for the phone. In case if you're having a phone pin, so the one to unlock the screen with, now you have to enter it right now. In my case, it's 4 times the 1. Please take yours. Confirm then here with the arrow, and yeah, we are a developer now here for the phone. Okay, now where to find the developer options? For that, just go back one step so that you're back in the general settings here, and now we will need to point system. So, and almost at the end of the list, we will find now the developer options. Okay, and now I can do the stuff we wanted to do, maybe to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more. If you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable them here on top, the developer options like this. This will require sometimes a restart. Now the phone will guide you during this process. Yeah, that's it. If you want to have them back, pretty easy. Just follow my instructions here, tap 7 times on the build number, and you will have them back. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.